Hello, today we will guide you through how to add studies on ThinkorSwim Mobile. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to open the app, pull up a symbol, access the Studies menu, choose the indicator you want, and apply it to your chart. Studies, also called indicators, help you visualize trends, momentum, and volatility. So adding them correctly will make your charts more informative without getting cluttered. Start by opening the ThinkorSwim mobile app. Give it a moment to load your account and market data. If you haven't used it in a while, a quick update from your app store can prevent glitches and ensure the studies list is current. Once the home screen appears, head to your chart. Open any sample symbol you'd like to practice with. Use the symbol field at the top of the chart to type a ticker, then confirm to load its price action. Choose something with recent movement so you can clearly see how indicators draw on the screen. If your chart looks too zoomed in or out, pinch to adjust the view before moving on. On the chart, scroll down to reveal more controls and panels. This slight scroll is helpful on smaller screens because it brings additional options into view without hiding your price candles. Tap the Studies option to open the indicator library. Here you'll find a searchable list of built-in tools. You can type a name in the search bar or browse popular categories. For example, moving average smooths price, RSI highlights overbought or oversold conditions, MACD tracks momentum shifts, and Bollinger Bands show volatility around price. When you select a study, its settings panel allows you to fine-tune inputs such as length, source, and style. Small tweaks like changing a moving average length or color can improve contrast and readability against your chart's background. When you're satisfied with your selection, tap the check mark at the top to add the study to your chart. The indicator will plot immediately, and you should see it either overlaid on price or in its own subpanel below, depending on the study type. If the chart feels crowded, consider adjusting line thickness or colors from the same settings area for better clarity. You can repeat the same process to add more than one study, but keep an eye on signal overlap so your view stays clean and actionable. That's it. You've opened the app, loaded a symbol, scrolled to bring up controls, entered the Studies menu, selected your study, and confirmed with the check mark. With these steps, you can quickly tailor your ThinkorSwim mobile charts to match your trading workflow.